I haven't done skincare for like ages. My skin is already screaming for help.
See, the way I mixed doing my skincare is something else. Like for the past months now, I haven't done skincare. Like I haven't been doing this. Reason is because we were in hot weather and doing all this thing in hot weather is not even funny because this was sometimes after applying my sunscreen, I end up cleaning it off. Well, I'm back because the weather is cold. So is it cold or cool? Well, whichever one. The weather is calm, so I can like feel more comfortable doing this now. Plus, guys, skincare is fucking expensive. Don't even go there. So I'm done like using my toning solution and my serum, which is good molecule product, which I love so much because I have a very sensitive skin, and I have applied my sunscreen already. Though I was waiting, guys, if you see me counting that stuff there, I was waiting for 5 minutes and 10 minutes because I usually allow my sunscreen to stay for like 5 to 10 minutes before I rub it into my skin. Yeah, that is how it is done. Okay, so yeah, skincare done. So the next thing now is my hair, guys. This hair, I haven't moisturized this hair for like past 1 week. Who does that? Like a homemade, a whole natural girl. I was haven't moisturized her hair. Hey, Jesus, English, Oyibo. Well, let's get to that. Guys, this voiceover is not voice me. This is how unserious I can be sometimes, but let's do it. So in here I have like water, and I'm just like adding a little bit leave-in conditioner. Yeah. Yes, my people. So let's quickly like sprinkle it. Hey, oh Jesus. Okay. So I'm just like going ahead to moisturize my hair. And here is my DIY hair butter. You can go see how I like made it on my YouTube. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please kindly, quietly, quietly, jejely go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Normal Koro. Thank you. I love you. So after applying the hair butter, you quietly, quietly, oh Jesus, silent now. See here, it is giving. Back to what I was saying. So you quietly, quietly, jejely, like detangle from the tip of your hair to the root. Okay, don't start from the root, start from the tip. Thank you. Mhm. So I'm just going to like twist it so that it doesn't shrink back. Mhm. What am I even dancing? Dancing nonsense. Best in dancing rubbish. So yeah, that is it. Guys, what am I even saying? Ah, Norma, you need help. Well, so guys, after moisturizing and detangling, what's the next
I
thing?
like how see them go.
What am I dancing? Norma. So I'm done moisturizing and detangling, and this is what my hair look like. It looks so sweet. It looks so sweet. Hey, you see healthy hair, guys. When you talk about healthy hair, call me. Call me. Just mention my name. I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be right there. Hey. So let's quickly stretch my hair. I'm going to be like doing it in a traditional way because I think I'll be making braid, or I'll be braiding my hair. Anyone. So, you guys know that the best way to stretch your hair as a natural girl is by doing it traditional way, which is trading. So that is what I am going to do right now. Right now. Kita anunwa. Ubu ubu a. Yeah. So here I'm using wool. Do you know what is called wool? Abi, do you know what wool? Hey, Jesus. So I'm using wool, guys. I'm using 4 strand of wool to stretch my hair because I want to braid. think I've said it before, but let me say it again. Since this year I've been braiding. Yes, guy, reason is because last year I was making so much of shorts hairstyling, and it's actually affected my hair so much. So I promised myself that I'm not going to be doing that this year. So I am doing more of braiding this year, and it is more safer. Yeah, you can see my hair, like it is growing, and I am not complaining about breakage or any damage like I complained last year, because I am not rough handling it. Hey, oyibo suponem. So guys, at this point I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong,
You going
but
to work?
well, let's see,
I
let's
don't
see,
know.
let's see, let's see. Okay. Let's do it one more time to see if it is working or not. Okay, guys, I think I have said too much, so let me just allow you guys to watch. And if you watch to this end, I give you a kiss. Thank you, guys, because at this point I'm tired. Thank you for watching to the end. Please do like and share. Don't forget to comment, and what else, hey, nothing else. Just thank you for watching.